Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today we are going to learn that how you can hide your hard disk partition from my computer. So guys, sometimes you need to hide your local disk drive from my computer so that no one can see your drive or data in that drive. So I have C, D and G, three drives. I want to suppose hide drive G from other users. So I will go to manage. In computer tab you will go manage. So this is computer management tool. Then go to storage, then disk management. This is the actual picture of my hard disk of 465 GB. Suppose I want to hide local drive G. I will right click on it, then change drive letter and path. The assigned drive letter is G. I will select and then remove this letter. It will assure, click on yes. Now the letter has been disappeared and my drive will be disappeared from my computer. So for privacy and safety, your drive has been removed from my computer or this PC. How to revert it? You need to just assign the letter of that drive. Suppose this drive would be new volume, then right click on it, change drive letter and path. Now you need to add the letter. Now I am adding the letter. I will add G because it was previously G, then OK. Now the letter has been assigned to new volume G, so I will re-verify in my computer. It will be here. So here is my G. In this way you can hide, change or replace a letter of that specific volume. Thanks guys for watching, learning. Please like our video and subscribe our channel.